welcome back. If you are new to my channel, my name is Amber, and what I have planned for today is I am going to do the one palette challenge. Okay, so I decided that I want to use my Take Me Back to Brazil Rio Edition by BH Cosmetics palette. If you don't know what this looks like, there it is. Okay? It's a fairly large palette for me to be doing a one palette challenge. And basically what you do is that you use every color in your palette. So I'm probably crazy right now. And I'll probably regret this after. But, yeah. So before this video, I went ahead and I did my foundation, concealer, and I just like trimmed up my brows more. And I just cleaned up my brows a little bit. And then I will be doing the setting powder and like the blush and contour after the look is done. So yeah, so let's get started, shall we? Alright, so when I was thinking about this challenge, and I know I really wanted to try this palette out. It has a lot of beautiful colors. I was trying to figure out what can I do with this with so many colors. So I think I just want to like play around a little bit and just gonna dab some dots in. See what kind of look I get. I'm trying to like go in a row. So right now I just did like the first row of pinks. And now I'm on to the second one. Alright, bringing you a little bit closer. I wasn't doing it before. Let's see. Get some red. So because of this and getting like all the colors in, I don't think I'll be cutting the crease today. Because then a bunch of the colors will be just covered up and really wouldn't be a point in that. No, this might be like a hot mess. Guess you gotta wait till the end to really judge it. This is my first time using this palette. And I think I would really like to go back into this palette and do like a cleaner look within this challenge. Believe it or not, that is literally all the colors. All I have left is the highlight and the black. Before I actually get into those, I think I'm gonna like go back with the colors and maybe intensify them a little bit. Alright, so I got some of the eyeliner design done. It kind of reminded me of a fan just because I was doing like the dots and like the top parts were rounded and I kind of like it was fanned out some. So I did that, and now as far as the black goes, I kind of have an idea now. But I'm going to do the highlight first. I'm going to go right around my design. Just patting it in. I have not done a look like this at all. It's a little out of my comfort zone here. There's like a green undertone to this one. wonder if the other one's different. Oh yeah, it is. Alright, this one has like a gold and like pink undertone. So I guess I will use it on the bottom. So one thing I've noticed with this palette is that these eyeshadows and stuff, they don't really blend out so well. Like once they're on, they are on and they're not really budging too much. So that's one thing that you can like keep in mind. But I mean, the colors are beautiful, so I would definitely suggest getting this palette if you can. This is insane. Alright. So now I'm going to take the black. And I'm going to attempt to go around the design, hopefully causing like a shadow effect. Alright guys, so this is what I have. I don't even know. I tried to do some like black eyeshadow to like create like a shadow effect on the fan. The more I was going in, the more I was like, oh Amber, just stop. And yeah. So what I'm going to do is do the other eye and try not to regret this entirely and just hope that something comes out right. We shall see. Be right back. This is what you get. Ugh. So, yes, the one palette challenge. I think I picked the wrong palette. Let's just be honest. I went too bold and too crazy and was like, hey, why not? Let's just do this palette because it's pretty. Well, pretty isn't always the smart choice, is it? I think I would definitely do this again with a smaller palette. Yeah, this was crazy. So now I'm gonna do the rest of my face because I want to be done. So I'm taking my Profusion bronzer and highlight kit and I am going to contour with my soft brown. I almost was like, what's the point of doing anything else? This isn't gonna make it look any better. But the show must go on. Can't win them all, can ya? Has anyone else done this challenge? And how do you think you did? I really need more highlight. So, I'm going to take my Golden Sugar Pro Glow kit from Paris Hilton, and I am going to do Moonstone, which is like a white. Really didn't need it, but okay. I'm going to do my blush last. I don't know, I went a little bit out of order, but is there really any rules to makeup? I don't know. Alright, after I put mascara on, I have this Rimmel London Shake It Fresh Clump Free Volume, and you just shake it. Now, I have been struggling really bad with lashes, like fake lashes. I just can't seem to get them on right. I don't know if I'm getting the wrong kind, but they just don't want to stick to me at all. And they look like a hot mess. Oh, I'm using this CoverGirl So Lashy Blast Pro as well to try to make up for the lack of fake lashes. So, if you guys have any suggestions of like the best brands to get when it comes to lashes, that would be like awesome. Because I do want to use them. It's just I'm not having luck with the ones that I have. So, alright, now I'm going to do my Fit Me loose translucent powder. Oh, this look is just so scary. So scary. I honestly can't believe I'm putting this on YouTube. Oh, lips. Let's see. I have this Lancome, I don't know how you say it. Bright pink. It is in the color 300 Juicy, Lemon Explosion, which is kind of weird because it's pink and Lemon Explosion. But I do think that they make pink lemons. So it's weird because I thought it was nail polish for a second. I mean, I don't think it is, but it almost smells like it. So I'm not gonna use it because that's a little funky. So I'm using this Avon Ultra Color Rich Chic Pink in U10. So, this is what you're getting from me today. Yeah, this is... I don't even want to talk about it. So, if you enjoyed this look or not, still give me a thumbs up, please. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel if this is the first time that you're watching. And don't forget to hit that beautiful bell because I have lots of fun plans for the future. My Ipsy subscription will be coming soon. I promise this is not like a typical thing. So, please come back. Bye.